performance reports are there for management profiles to get an overview of the monthly and yearly performance of the company as a whole, each team and each broker. By selecting the team from the second drop-down list and the broker from the third drop-down list, you can see the performance reports for a specific team or broker. The filters allow you to select only transactions created between two dates. The drop-down for year below the graphs allows you to set the start year of the 2 years that you want to see the information for. There are 3 types of performance reports: sales volume, commission volume, and commission earned. The sales volume report shows you the performance by the volume of sales and rentals completed and in process in terms of the final sales and rental prices of the transactions. The commission volume report shows the performance by the volume of total and net company commissions on closed and open transactions. The commission earned report shows the performance by the volume of commission earned and paid to brokers on closed and open transactions. If the graph is showing open transactions in months that have already passed or closed transactions in months still to come, then the date fields in those transactions must have been filled out incorrectly. They can be changed in the transaction records and the graph will update accordingly.